feeling sorry.
They announced that you are coming and you are the representative of one here. And I don't have much to give except for this 50 cup. So that's why I'm apologizing before I leave you.
It's okay, sir. It's okay. I promise you, I'm going to personally spend this $50. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you. Hello, children. So, what is this?
1.
What is this?
2.
What is this?
3.
What is this?
4.
What is this?
5.
Clap for yourself.
Family is fine, thank God. Everything is working perfectly. It's fine, thank you.
Thank God I didn't see you today. There's something that has been bothering me for long.
Really? What
What
is
is
it?
speaking? It's about my child. Her grade is so low. She's not turning up well. I don't know what else to do. I've tried a lot of lessons. I've tried so many schools. It's not helping.
Oh, I see. My child is doing perfectly well in school.
Really?
Yeah, there's this brother that is gathering children, doing extramural classes for them. So she's really picking up. She's doing very well.
Really?
Yeah, I think you should take your child to that place. Yeah.
Where is the place?
It's in my compound.
Your compound?
Oh yeah.
You need to take me there. In fact, I need to go with you. No. Because I have to take my child there also.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Please, let's go. I'll take you there.
Good afternoon, kids.
Good afternoon, sir.
ONE1.
ONE1.
TWO2.
TWO2.
THREE3.
THREE3.
FOUR4.
FOUR4.
FIVE5.
FIVE5.
Wow, clap for yourself. We are done for today. I'll see you all next week. God bless you. Bye.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Daddy, do you remember me?
How will I forget you, my son? I cannot forget. Are you not the 50 Kobo?
That now in school.
How did it happen?
Daddy, do you remember the last time you came here?
Okay.
That you blessed me in the name of the Lord.
Okay.
After that time, I went and started gathering children just to teach them and take them in the lesson. Even their parents, sometimes they pay, sometimes even they don't like, they don't pay. But as God we have it, all the children that I taught, they all came first.
Yes, to God.
So word has spread around and people began to bring their children to my lesson. And before you know it, I could not handle them. So I started hiring and employing people. And until then I have a school.
Glory to Jesus. Glory to God. Glory to God for this wonderful testimony. It shall be permanent. The Lord will continue to do greater things in your life. In the name of Jesus Christ.
But after you said, I bless you in the name of the Lord, every child I taught came first in class. So news spread. And people began to say, if you want your child to do well, take him or her to brother so-and-so. And very soon, I had more students than I could handle alone, so I began to employ other teachers. And now I have a school. You can touch God by giving. But after you said, I bless you in the name of the Lord, every child I taught came first in class. So news spread. And people began to say, if you want your child to do well, take him or her to brother so-and-so. Very soon, I had more students that I could handle alone, so I began to employ others.